Hi everybody, welcome to 6478 Stoney Creek in Hudsonville. This great, well-maintained condo is 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 1,200 square feet of everything you need. Inside, you'll see a wide-open living space with tall ceilings, a bright, airy kitchen, and 2 big, bright daylight bedrooms downstairs. It's a great area with a lot of parks and trails, excellent schools nearby, plus easy commute to town and easy access to the lakeshore. I actually looked it up on the maps. It is 19 minutes to the Amway Grand Plaza downtown and 30 minutes exactly to Holland State Park. All of this with a great sense of community and the ease and simplicity of life in a condo. On the market today for just $229,000. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Kurt Lozenort with the Smallegan team at Keller Williams, or come see me on Sunday at the open house from 1 to 3.